Hey everyone, this is Brian with Team JTR Spartacus here. So Jack and I decided to do some primitive camping in Rothrock State Forest in Pennsylvania in a naked JTR Spartacus. So check it out. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button today. Just driving a little on flat road in Rothrock State Forest, Pennsylvania. Just give you a feel for what it's like. It's a bunch of kind of gravel roads and wooded areas, and there's some cabins and stuff up here, but there doesn't seem to be anybody actually living. I'm guessing they're hunting, fishing cabins. So that give you an idea where we're at on the GPS. But that's where we are. Cool little side trail, whatever that was. All right, Jack, where are we?
We're on Rag Hollow off Val and Seeger.
I can't tell if I can see you. Hello. All right, so Rothrock State Forest, just miles and miles and miles of off-road, kind of gravel road, I guess, not really off-road. And we're getting like 20 miles to the gallon off-road, which is pretty awesome. Go ahead and subscribe today. Thank you. At Greenwood Furnace State Park with JTR Spartacus. So part of this road trip, we went to the lake at Greenwood Furnace and checking out the furnace, the historic site here. So you can basically just pull right up and check out the old furnace. So back in the day, they used to make iron right here, and they completely deforested the whole area. And actually, they're logging right now. But you see, it's all green again. So history, it's cool. JTR Spartacus out. Go ahead and subscribe today. Thank you. So some porcupines decided to come into the camp several times throughout the night and eat on the Gladiator. Luckily, nothing was wrong, and we shooed them off and packed up and headed out. Thanks for watching from Team JTR Spartacus. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button today. See you on the trails.